Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics from the topic trigonometry. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you that if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of the website is also available in the description box of this video. So how you can access all these questions? You need to visit our website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academic Adda. Under academic Adda, you need to select math important questions. Okay friends, one more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay, so coming back to the discussion, what is given here? We have been given an angle in degrees and we need to convert that into radians. So the value of the angle given is 240 degree and we need to convert it into radians. Okay, so we can see how we can convert this. See, we know that 180 degree is equivalent to pi radian. So if we want to convert 1 degree into radian, it will be equal to pi by 180 radian. Okay, because 180 degree is equivalent to pi radian. So 1 degree will be equal to pi by 180 radian. So we can write angle in radian equal to angle in degree multiplied by pi divided by 180 degree. Okay. So now in this problem, if we see angle in degree is given as 240 degree. Therefore, we can calculate angle in radian equal to angle in degree multiplied by pi by 180 degree, and substituting the angle we will get angle in radian equal to 240 into pi by 180 degree. So after simplification we will get angle in radian as 4 by 3 pi, and writing pi as pi. Okay, so it will be equal to angle in radian equal to 4 by 3 pi. Okay friends, so this is how we solve problems like this. Okay, thank you.